What's on the menu tonight, Ruby? Apple juice? We got deer on the menu tonight. What are we making?
Deer fajitas.
Woo! Out of this back ham we got, I'm gonna get this thing trimmed up. We'll get it prepped. What are we gonna do? Smoke it a little bit?
I don't know how you're just grilling it.
Grilling it. We're gonna grill it. Make some chipotle bowls out of them.
And we're gonna make fajita peppers.
What do you think about that, Ruby? Y'all stay tuned for this one. It's gonna be good.
Do we do normal rice or soy?
All right, so first things first, we can get this stuff trimmed up a little bit better. Get all this silver skin off. Get her prepped up. The dog's favorite part.
Oh my god.
It is his favorite part for a reason. See how there's muscle groups here? We're gonna get that muscle group cut off because it's got some silver skin on it. We'll wash that. And what do you think, Rick?
Are you excited for some fajita bowls?
Woo!
Yummy.
That's a good little piece right here. Kaylee, why do we want to trim all the silver skin off?
Because it doesn't taste good.
Because it's hard to chew.
That was my next guess.
As y'all can tell, Kaylee enjoys eating it, but doesn't exactly know why we do what we do to a lot of this wild game. How many? We shot this deer, what, back at Thanksgiving? Think so?
I don't know.
Thanksgiving. We dry aged it for 10 days. So that should help a lot with a lot of the gaminess. This next season we're gonna make some videos on dry aging it.
Okay, people. I'm about to make some cilantro lime rice. First, I got 2.25 cups, starting to boil, and then it's not homemade, so this is what we're making. And then I will prep some veggies to saute, like the fajita veggies and onions, and show you how we do that.
All right, this is what we're using. Blackened Saskatchewan rub. Never tried it, but I'm sure it's gonna be good because Miss Kaylee picked it out. Another hack when you're grilling this stuff or grilling a lot of it, get it all about the same thickness. That'd be the best thing to do. And then get this stuff on there thick. You don't like stuff that's not seasoned appropriately. And appropriately is generously.
Season with your heart.
Yes. Give her a little smash. Give her a flip. Get all our pieces flipped. Yes, ma'am, right? I typically like to put olive oil on all this stuff, but this meat is it's warm and it's wet, so all this stuff is really sticking to it nicely. That stuff is done. Don't forget old Coy needs to eat. That's gonna be good. Hey, just wait. It's hot.
Oh, hey. I'm about to chop up these peppers and half this onion. Yeah. Ooh. You don't want to take your peppers, put them all in some olive oil preheated. Wait to put the onion in though, because the peppers take longer to cook.
Wait for them bad boys. Off to the grill. So we're gonna slap this stuff on here. Grill's about 300. They're hot. Put our smaller pieces up front. Right over that flame. That way, you get a good char. It's black and black. This is some color. We'll flip this here in about 4 minutes. Well, then, we can do this more often.
You like that pepper? Forgot to add seasoning. I'm going to use this spicy fajita rub from Traeger, which is our fave.
All right, 4 minutes, and we're gonna flip. Oh.
And maybe dance while you're doing it.
Yes, ma'am.
You're gonna add your onion.
Don't forget the onion.
Make sure you cover it too when you're done so that it softens all the peppers and onions.
Then hydrate with water. All right, pull the meat. It's here. Let this stuff cool down for about 5-10 minutes. Fully cooked stuff, we'll feed the rib, because that's what she needs. But yeah, let this stuff cool down so that those juices stay in there before you slice it. Keep letting this stuff cook. About ready here. You cool down a little bit, you can get to slicing.
Mmm. Perfect.
Another little hack I do, just me. So I leave a couple pieces really rare. That way, when I go to microwave it later, it's not super dry. So if you're making a bunch, keep that in mind. You can cook a couple pieces real rare for later on, that is.
What do you think, Ribby? Yummy.
Guys, this stuff is good. Wow. And that is how we make our deer into a little bowl. Little backhand, sliced, grilled, good to go. Let's eat. Bon appetit. We'll see y'all on the next one.